Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I just did a video about this image yesterday, and you can see it is a SVG, and it can't even be traced. There's no trace option. I just went out on the internet thinking there's got to, and I found the exact one. Now, the face is a little bit different color, but that can be changed. So this thing's already pretty little, but see, I can trace it. So I'm going to go to trace, outline trace, clip art. And there's really no inside color, and it did it really fast. And there, now we got a little bit of, you know what? Let's do that again. Let's trace it again and tell Corel to get rid of, I didn't see that right there. Get rid of entire, well, that put white. That took away my white. But we can do the same thing we did yesterday with this image. And we could take it and make a rectangle, fill it in with the Smart Fill tool. And I need to set my nudge factor on something better. And we're going to use that blue. And I'm going to nudge it over. And then I'm going to fill that in with blue. And I'm going to nudge it down. And I could have filled it in with white. I'm going to make it white. And then I'm going to nudge it back over and go up to Object and Order and back a page. Of course, the yellow needs to go in the back of the page now. And I guess I could have gone down one. But now we have a good, clean image. Well, there's a little bit of problem right there, but that kind of stuff could be fixed very easily, much easier than what we had to do yesterday. So I'm going to go ahead and group this together. And if the one I'm trying to help, if you need help doing that, and we're going to take this, well, see, that's from yesterday. There's something with her, I could not figure out. I mean, there's even the Brooklyn is an S, well, now it's a curve, but it doesn't matter. We're going to just use the new word. And we're going to do the same thing we did yesterday. I'm going to make a duplicate of that, move it up. I'm going to take away the outline, or take away the fill, make an outline. I'm going to go to Effects and Contour. I'm going to contour 1/4 of an inch is going to be way too big. Well, no, it's not too bad. Let's go, I think we went 0.2 yesterday, and we're going to use rounded corners. And that's a little bit big. Maybe I'm starting off smaller. 0.1, oh, my number's not locked. 0.15. Okay, there we got a good. So I'm going to go to, now I'm going to go to Object, Group, and, well, I got to select it all, go up to Object and break the contour apart. Then I'm going to get the red contour, I'm going to break it apart. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the inside stuff on this one, and the person I was trying to help, or you can pretty much do what you want to do. I actually touched the outside. So there's our contour. So now we're going to take this, you just move it out of the way, take our black and move it out of the way, and we're going to move this down like we did yesterday. And we need to make sure it's on top. And I can see that it is, but you could always go blue and make it a blue outline, and then you can see it's on top. And then select everything and go to Trim, and it did just like it did yesterday. Now I'm going to bring the word back in, and I'm not going to go through all the logistics of what we did yesterday with putting color in there, because now it's like transparent. But the whole idea was to make a sticker. So if we take this now, even though it's 3 objects, we can go boundary, and look at that. Now we have a boundary, and let's go. I would strongly suggest you take away that outline, and then take this, and we're going to contour the outside at 0.15. We're going to go to Object, break the contour apart. If you always grab the middle one, it always grab the middle or the smaller one. And now you have a sticker around that. And I mean, that kind of stuff could be fixed much easier than what we had to go through yesterday to get this. And like, if they want just a little bit of a color, let's go like 0.05 of a contour to make another cut line, and then always go and break the contour apart. I'm going to actually grab that contour. Well, that's the outside one, I think. No, that's the inside one. And this is where you could have it any color. I don't really know what. Let's just make it blue and see, and then go object, order, back one. See that? Well, it didn't work. Let me back up here. Well, let me just let me take away the outline, move that over, and go back, order, back a page. And see, now I got to take the yellow order. That's why I really don't ever do that. And now you have a blue edge around that, and it doesn't look half bad. You know, it makes everything else kind of pop out. But anyway, whenever you run into trouble with like something like this, you can find this on the internet. Somebody made it on the internet. This one was actually a free one. Now it is a bitmap. And you know what? The video's not too long. Let's clean it up a little bit. Let's go trace bitmap. So I made it a little bit smaller and remove background from entire image. And now let's take this over. You could fix that coloration right there see, it's even got some off colors. What we could do is just take it and we could go, you know what? Well, we can use that one for the color. Let's go left click, right click. And there's just some trash, and you could just take and delete some of this trash. And, you know, if you do that, well, you know what? That's probably all trash. Well, that's going to separate her ears from the spot. And see, just take away some of this trash. I don't know what this is going to look like. You know what? It's not going to have an outline. She's got an outline. So let's go back. I went a little overboard on that maybe. But that's probably not good there. And let's just start filling stuff in. Let's use the Smart Fill tool, and you go black. And see, this way, I think you're going to get rid of some of that stuff. And I think now we could actually cut that. And then let's get the black back and do her eyes and her nose, and probably the outline of this. See how easy that was? I'm going to zoom in right there. See, we got a little bit of let me back up. That's what I call a whoop-de-doo, and just get rid of it. And then take the Smart Fill tool, fill that in with black. Let's go ahead and finish it. I'm going to use the colors off this. Smart Fill tool, get the eyedropper. Let's go ahead and get that tan. Now we can just do white. Well, you know what? Let's do the red. And that's only if you're going to use this particular red. You know, there's some other spots. And now in just a second, I'm going to show you how much better this is going to look, hopefully. And we're going to fill this in with red. And I think all we have left is white. So then we're going to take the Smart Fill tool and we just go to white, unless they're printing it and need CMYK white. And see, this way, I think there's one more red spot I need to put there. And their gloves are white, and her dots are white, and her nose and her eyes. Look at that. Whoop. I guess I didn't fill that in with red. Go back to the eyedropper and get that red, fill that in, and look. Okay, we got a part of the tan didn't get there. Color eyedropper tool and fill that in. I mean, we still got that little bit of a hitch, but you could, if somebody ever needs help with something like that, it's just easy peasy. You know what? Let's take away the fill from that on both sides and just take your virtual segment delete key and delete that line. And you could actually, now that's probably going to be 2 points or two, it is. So what we're going to, it's actually another line. And see, there's actually another line. So let's just take those lines away and then get the shape tool and just, well, let's just get back to the black. Hopefully it's going to work. And very easy to take that and fix it. As much, just like that. That's just the top of the clip art. Whenever you do the black, you're going to have a line behind it, most likely. So just delete that line. See how easy that was to clean up? Let's just do it one more time over here. I didn't mean to make this so long. Look at that. We could even probably, now I was afraid of that because it wasn't a locked arrow, but you could fix it. You could spend a lot of time and get it 100%. Stickers, I don't print stickers, but they're so little, just like, so this is a remnants of the clip art. Whenever you see something like that, see how easy that was. Anyway, I hope that helped that young lady and somebody in the future. Thank you for watching.